Guys, with Bitcoin taking the lead recently, as the other altcoins bleed out very badly, what's going on? Why is this happening? I'm going to be discussing that with you in today's video. There's also a massive inflation reading that's going to affect cryptos massively. I'm going to be discussing that in today's video as well. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And also to be entered into my 5,000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which we're going to be doing at 5,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, a huge article came out titled, Bitcoin's $100,000 price target returns, as Bitcoin's price target breaks out of its bullish flag and pennant. The bullish analogy appears as Bitcoin reserves across all the crypto exchanges fall to their lowest in the previous 12 months, suggesting holding sentiment amongst traders, breaking out of every single bullish flag and pennant that it forms and breaking through levels of resistance like it's nothing. Bitcoin may not have hit its all-time high yet, however it did just break a level of resistance that we haven't seen it break in 5 months. Guys, hold with diamond hands, never have paper hands, and sell for less than you bought in for. Because the market is continuing to go up, guys, cryptos double every single year, at least the top cryptos, the ones that I talk about, the ones that I go over on my Patreon. On my Patreon, I teach you to swim with the whales. Guys, the whales, the elite, the richest out there that invest in cryptos, guys, they talk together on their own little Discord. They know when to sell and they know when to buy. They do it all at the same time, and that's what I teach you guys to do. I teach you guys to swim with the whales because a lot of new investors lose money, and that's how they learn. Guys, there's no need to do that as long as you follow these dips that I called out when they're steep enough and you follow them to a T. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. Because I have such a good relationship with Webull, if you deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, based on the previous bull runs over the history of Bitcoin, especially back in 2017, since the pattern that we're currently seeing on the Bitcoin charts is reflecting the same pattern back in 2017, just after it broke out, hitting all-time highs at that time, guys, we are in for a treat. And because the patterns we're seeing currently are reflecting those same patterns, we are about to have a massive breakout to the upside, and it will cause the rest of the cryptos to follow up along with it. Guys, currently we've seen cryptos bleed out a bit, at least the altcoins. Even though October, November, December are historically very bullish months every single year, this time it's all about Bitcoin. And because of this, because most people are putting so much money in Bitcoin right now, it's a perfect time to buy these altcoins at these dips, as I'm calling them out, because in December and January it will be altcoin season, and that's when we'll see them pump even more than Bitcoin, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum in much greater numbers. Guys, in 2022, a lot of the top crypto experts, including myself, are literally expecting Bitcoin to hit $200,000. Guys, that's not out of the question at all. And when that happens, expect for Dogecoin to hit above $1 by then. Easily $2. Guys, when December hits, even if we reach $100,000 on Bitcoin, we will then see a bit of a drop-off, a cool-down corrections period, which happens on every single healthy bull run. And at that time, we'll start to see billions of dollars start to flow into the altcoins, and that's when we'll make our money. Right now, as you're buying these dips and being positioned very well, you're getting ready for December and January when we will see these peaks, and I will be letting you guys know when I'm ready to sell. We're seeing a reverse head and shoulders form on the Ethereum charts. Guys, this is a very bullish symbol and we're likely to head up straight from here. Guys, Dogecoin is flipping bearish a bit. It is going down some and we're likely to see a really sweet dip here very soon. So you want to get ready with some cash on the side to buy that dip. When I call it out, when I see that it's steep enough to where there will only be a short period of time before we see massive profits. Do not sell Dogecoin yet. Hold with diamond hands because they could pump and take off at any second now. It's just a matter of time for whenever Bitcoin decides to take that breather, to take that cool down corrections phase in order to allow billions of dollars to pump into the altcoins. Believe it or not, Shiba Inu is following Bitcoin very closely. There was a bearish dip on the Shiba Inu chart. However, it went into an ascending triangle pattern, consolidating, trading sideways, and then it broke out. And if it can break new levels of resistance, guys, we're likely to be on a brand new bull run for Shiba Inu. So you want to be looking out for that one when I call it out as well. And guys, as we take a look at the Bitcoin charts, as you can see, we are headed straight up, parabolic. Even though we were trading sideways for a bit with quite a bit of volatility, we had a quadruple bottom, which means we hit here, and then of course we took off straight from there. Guys, that is extremely bullish, and that's why we headed straight up. We are coming down a bit though, so this may be the breather that we've been waiting for, this cool down corrections period, which not only allows us to buy at the dip of Bitcoin, but then of course allows for billions of dollars to flow into the altcoins, and that's when we'll start to see Dogecoin pump, Cardano pump, and a lot of our other favorite altcoins. So you want to be ready for that. You want to have some cash on the side to buy these dips as I'm calling them out. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth of $4,000 each. Because I have such a good relationship with Webull, you can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And also to be entered into my 5,000 Shiba Inu giveaway, which we're going to be doing when we hit 5,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And I'll see you guys later.